Why did the tomato turn red? Because it saw the salad dressing. Speaking of food, are you a midnight snacker? This might make you chuckle, but the reality of midnight snacking is something we all relate to. We've all experienced those moments, often silent, sometimes filled with the muted sounds of your favorite late-night show, when hunger pangs kick in. It's late into the night, the world is asleep, and you are alone your cravings. These cravings can be for anything, but they're usually for something salty or sweet, aren't they? We see ourselves reaching out for that bag of chips, that leftover slice of pizza, or that tub of ice cream that we swore we'd save for the other times. It might be a series of biscuits, a handful of candy, or perhaps a big juicy burger that you had saved for tomorrow's lunch. It's quite a relatable scenario indeed. The moment these snacks touch our taste buds, an instant gratification sets in, a sense satisfaction that's hard to put into words. But what follows this brief moment of euphoria? It's often a pang of guilt, isn't it? A sense of regret for breaking our diet, for indulging in unhealthy foods, for letting our cravings dictate our actions. But what if we told you that there's a way to indulge your cravings without the guilt? What if we told you that there's a world out there full of healthy midnight snack alternatives that can satisfy your cravings just as well, if not better? Sounds too good to be true? Well, that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. Today, we're flipping the script on that narrative. We're going to dive headfirst into the world of healthy midnight snack ideas. We are going to introduce you to some delicious, yet nutritious alternatives to your usual guilty pleasures. We are going to show you that it is, in fact, possible to enjoy your late-night munching sessions without any guilt. We will explore various snack options, from fruits and nuts to yogurts and smoothies, from whole grain foods to protein-rich snacks, from low-calorie desserts to non-dairy ice creams. We will help you discover new favorites, ones that will make you look forward to your midnight snack sessions, rather than dread them. And in doing so, we will help you transform your midnight snacking habits. We want to help you say goodbye to guilt and hello to a healthier lifestyle. So buckle up and get ready for a delicious journey through the world of guilt-free midnight munching. Say goodbye to guilt and hello to healthy munching. Ever experienced the midnight munchies monster? It can be a real health gremlin. Now, let's delve into what transpires we surrender to those late-night cravings. Unhealthy snacking, particularly at the witching hour, can usher in a plethora of health issues, and we're not just dwelling on weight gain, though it certainly raises a big red flag. When we indulge in high-calorie, sugar-laden, or fat-saturated foods late at night, our bodies, in their wisdom, store those extra calories as fat. This accumulation over a period leads to weight gain and obesity, and there's no undermining the psychological impact of those extra pounds on our self-esteem and mental health. However, weight gain isn't the sole concern. Unhealthy snacking can also play havoc with our sleep patterns. Sugary and caffeinated edibles can keep us from drifting into a deep, restful sleep. This deprivation can then snowball into a cascade of other problems, including decreased concentration, mood imbalance, and even a compromised immune system. And if you thought this was the worst of it, there's more. Nighttime unhealthy snacking can amplify our risk of developing serious diseases. Too much sodium intake, for instance, can precipitate high blood pressure and put the heart at risk. Sugar-dense foods can escalate our risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Regular consumption of fatty foods can result in high cholesterol and other heart-related complications. Here's the twist. We're all human. We are all susceptible to cravings. And more often than not, those cravings knock at our door late at night when we're most vulnerable and our willpower is at its lowest ebb. It's only too easy to succumb to the temptation of a bag of chips or a slab of chocolate. But the price we pay for these quick fixes can be steep, and their impact can last a lifetime. The question then is, what can we do? How can we cater to our cravings without manifesting a health disaster? Fortunately, there's a silver lining. There are ample healthy alternatives to our guilty pleasures. With a tad bit of planning and preparation, we can ensure that healthier options are within our reach when the midnight munchies monster comes calling. And here's the comforting part. When we choose healthier snacks, we're not just avoiding the negative consequences of unhealthy eating, we're also reaping the benefits of nutrient-dense foods. Foods that are high in fiber can help us feel full and satisfied. Protein-rich snacks can provide us with steady energy. And foods packed with vitamins and minerals can support our overall health and well-being. Switching to healthier snacks doesn't mean depriving ourselves. It means making choices that satisfy our cravings and nourish our bodies. It means finding the balance between indulgence and health. It means taking control of our health one snack at a time. But fear not, we've got some guilt-free solutions to tame that Munchies monster. Opening. You don't have to give up snacking, just smarten it up. Now, let's dive into the world of You're a Night Owl, with nocturnal habits that involve binge-watching and late-night snacking. We all have been there, where the cravings kick in and the potato chips, cookies, or that tub of ice cream escalates from being just a snack to being the pivotal part of our late-night ritual. It might seem like these snacks are the perfect companions to your midnight movie marathon, but have you ever considered the aftermath? The pang of guilt in the morning? The sluggish feeling that accompanies you throughout the day? The solution is not to completely give up on snacking, but to make smarter choices, to embark on a journey of snack swaps. The concept of snack swaps is all about replacing your unhealthy snacks with healthier alternatives. It's not about deprivation or completely avoiding your favorite treats, but about making smarter and healthier choices. It's about balance and satisfying your cravings a healthier way. Let's start with the common go-to snack chips. Instead of munching on those fried, salty potato chips, why not try air-popped popcorn? It's not just an alternative, it's an upgrade. It's still crunchy, it's still tasty, and it's a whole grain snack that is low in fat and high in fiber. Plus, you can flavor it with your favorite herbs and spices for a personal touch. Next up, we have a swap for the cookie monsters out there. Try those sugar-filled cookies with a piece of dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is rich in antioxidants and can satisfy your sweet tooth with a much smaller portion. Think of it as a guilt-free indulgence. Ice cream lovers, we haven't forgotten about you. Instead of reaching for that tub of ice cream, why not try a bowl of frozen berries or even a banana smoothie? They're naturally sweet, packed with vitamins, and can cool you down just like ice cream. And for those who cannot resist the allure of cheese, instead of reaching for that block of cheese, how about trying a handful of nuts? They're packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber, and they're just as satisfying. Remember, these are just suggestions, and the beauty of snack swaps is that you can customize it according to your preferences. It's about finding what works best for you and your. The main idea is to replace your unhealthy snacks with healthier alternatives that are just as satisfying. You never know, you might even discover some new favorites along the way. In conclusion, snacking is not your enemy. It's about making the right choices and finding healthier alternatives. It's about balance, not restriction. It's about embracing the fact that you can still enjoy late-night snacking without the guilt, without the regret. Remember, the goal is to satisfy your cravings, not to starve them. So go ahead, make smarter choices, and revel in your guilt-free late-night snacking. You're on a healthier path now. You've got this. Enjoying our snack solutions so far? We thought so. If you're finding these tips helpful, it would mean the world to us if you showed your by giving us a thumbs up. Remember, each thumbs up we receive is a sign that we're on the right track, that we're creating content that is not only enjoyable, but useful to you. So why not take a second to hit that button? And while you're at it, consider subscribing for more healthy munching ideas. By subscribing, you'll become part of our growing of health enthusiasts. This way, you'll never miss an update, and you'll always be in the loop when we release new tips and tricks to guide you on your snacking journey. But we're not just interested in talking at you. We want to hear from you too. We believe that everyone has something to contribute. So if you have a go-to healthy midnight snack of your own that you'd like to share, please do. Let's start and learn from each other. We're all ears, ready to listen, learn, and adapt. Remember, your input could help someone else in their journey towards healthier snacking. We value each and every one of our viewers. You're not just a viewer, you're part of our community. So don't be shy. Let's create space where we can all share, learn, and grow together. On that note, stay tuned for more delicious ideas. Ready for some healthy, tasty, and easy-to-make snack ideas? Let's dive into the world of nutrition with everyone's beloved snack, popcorn. No, we're not referring to the butter-loaded popcorn that you snack on at the movies. We're highlighting the nourishing variety of air-popped popcorn that's high in fiber and low in calories. You have the freedom to flavor it with your preferred healthy toppings. Consider dusting it with nutritional yeast for a cheesy punch, or sprinkle some cinnamon for a dash of sweetness. The key is to personalize it according to your unique taste buds. Our second pick is the Greek yogurt parfait, a delightful blend of protein-oriented Greek yogurt layered with a variety of fresh fruits. Berries are excellent choice, for they not only add a burst of color to your parfait, but also pack in a lot of antioxidants. Top it with a handful of granola, but remember, low-sugar granola is the way to go. This deliciously healthful snack is a powerhouse of essential vitamins and minerals. The third snack, hummus and veggie sticks, calls out to all the savory food lovers. a sublime source of plant-based protein. Hummus, when teamed with crunchy veggies like bell peppers or cucumber, makes for a satisfying and nutrient-rich snack. Now, late-night cravings won't leave you with a guilt trip. Now, for those who are fond of sweet delights, we have a scrumptious recipe: dark chocolate-dipped strawberries. Dark chocolate, particularly those with cocoa concentration of 70% or more, is loaded with antioxidants. As for strawberries, they're the perfect blend of sweet and tart. Just melt some dark chocolate, dunk the strawberries, and let them set in the refrigerator. You've got yourself a healthy dessert that's truly indulgent. Do you find yourself looking for something more substantial? Look no further than our smashed avocado toast. Get a slice of whole grain bread, spread some ripe mashed avocado on top. Sprinkle chili flakes for some heat, a hint of lemon juice, and season it with salt and pepper. This healthy and fiber-rich snack will leave you satiated. We certainly can't ignore nature's very own snack packs: nuts and seeds. Be it almonds, walnuts, sunflower seeds, or pumpkin seeds, they're all powerhouses of nutrition. Come packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber. But remember, moderation is crucial here. A small helping is all you need. Finally, to cleanse your palate, we've got a refreshing snack: cucumber slices with a twist. Slice some cucumbers, then with a bit of olive oil and vinegar, and garnish with chili powder to add a punch. It's light, crunchy, and the chili imparts a nice kick. So we've got 7 healthy, easy to make, and above all, tasty snack ideas for your late night snacking. The essence of these snack options lies in achieving the right balance and portion control. These snack ideas are crafted to appease your midnight cravings without jeopardizing your health goals. But remember, this is not an exhaustive list. Use these as inspirations and feel free to experiment with different ingredients, flavors, and combinations. Try almond butter on your toast instead of avocado, or dip your veggies in Greek yogurt instead of hummus. The options are limitless. When it comes to healthy eating, variety truly is the spice of life. Different foods provide different nutrients, so it's crucial to mix and match. And lastly, if you're finding this content beneficial, don't forget to show your support by liking, subscribing, and commenting below. Your feedback encourages us to continue creating such impactful and healthy content. Remember, these are just feel free to get creative with your own healthy snacks. Opening: why should we bother with healthy snacks? Answer is both uncomplicated and crucial. Healthy snacks are a transformative factor in our lifestyles, providing an array of perks that extend beyond simply satisfying late-night hunger pangs. For starters, they support better weight control. Consuming small, nutrition-dense snacks in between meals can avert overeating during main meals, thus helping us in keeping our weight in check. Picture this as having a reliable ally that keeps your metabolism active consistently. Next up, let's delve into mood and energy. Remember the lethargic sensation post-munching a bag of chips or a chocolate bar? That's your body's response to the sudden rise and drop in blood sugar levels. Conversely, healthy snacks, loaded with complex carbohydrates, proteins, and good fats, offer a steady energy supply, maintaining your blood sugar levels and keeping your mood positive. So, healthy snacks serve dual roles as your metabolism's sidekick and your cheerleader, ensuring you stay energized and positive. Furthermore, a healthy snacking habit minimizes the risk of diseases. Snacks are typically loaded with sodium, sugars, and bad fats, which can lead to high blood pressure, diabetes, and heart diseases over time. However, the choice of snacks rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals not only quells your hunger, but nourishes your body, thereby shielding it against different diseases. It's akin to having a personal health security guard, safeguarding your health 24/7. Lastly, we should bear in mind that healthy snacking is not only about what we eat, but also the timing and the quantity. It should be a mindful and portion-controlled action. This implies eating deliberately, being attentive to your body's hunger and satiation signals, and avoiding mindless eating due to boredom stress. Ending: healthy snacking is not just about what you eat, but also when and how much. So the next time you find yourself scouting the kitchen for a late-night snack, recall these benefits and opt for a snack that will satiate your cravings and enhance your overall health. When the midnight munchies strike, you're now prepared. Today, we concluded our voyage through the land of healthy midnight snacks. We've tackled the issues of unhealthy snacking, discussing the dangers hiding behind those salt-heavy chips and sugary cookies. But fear not, there's hope. We've explored the concept of snack swaps. Replacing calorie bombs with nutrient-packed alternatives is not only achievable, but also quite delicious. Recall the snack swaps? Swapping your typical chips for crispy kale chips, or substituting that box of cookies for a mix of nuts and dried fruits. These swaps are more than calorie-wise, they enhance the nutrition in your late-night feasting. We've thoroughly examined some tasty recipes. From savory zucchini chips to sweet chocolate hummus, these snacks are tailored to satisfy your cravings without affecting your conscience or your waistline. Remember, healthy snacking is not just about evading guilt, it's about embracing the good. These snacks can boost your metabolism, regulate your blood sugar, and even lift your mood. So the next time the midnight hunger hits, you've got a stash of healthy snack options to choose from. So tackle those midnight cravings head on. Guilt-free munching hinges on choosing snacks that are both tasty and nourishing. Don't shy away from creativity. Experiment, try new blends, and discover your unique healthy snack haven. As we conclude this gourmet journey, we urge you to start your own snack swap expedition. Test the recipes, share your stories, and let's build a community of healthy snackers together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Happy healthy snacking!